Today is Friday. It's September the 25th and it's a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. People, if you are showing up early or on time for class, that means you are logged into Schoology when class begins. Thank you very much for doing so. Make sure you're continuing to be effective and be on time. We are looking for more people, boys especially, to take part in Seussical. It's a great fun show. There's an awesome part, especially for the guys, and we'd love you to be a part of it. Please contact Ms. Link for more details. We have our Student Equity Forum coming up. You can work with Mrs. Jorgensen, Ms. B. This upcoming Tuesday, the 29th at 11:10, so right after our AM classes and right before our PM classes, you can check out the Schoology page for the Student Equity Forum and get a little bit more information. We'd love to have you there. We also have our GAMS student survey. If you have not taken that survey and would like to, you can locate it in the Green Acres Counseling page under Resources. You'll be able to get everything you need right there. And just as a quick reminder, it costs nothing to treat people with respect. It's free. It's just being a good human being. And I know that's what we're all striving for. So, that's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.